Negative overthinking makes us live in our head, and that in turn disconnects us from others. If we are not careful, it can also make us treat other people badly. For instance, by taking out our stress on others. If you're leading a team or a company, the disconnection could trickle down and create lonely employees. People not communicating because they don't feel safe enough to trust each other, creating a culture of fear. Imagine the damage this can create. Costly errors in projects often come down to the lack of or miscommunication. And this kind of leadership, one characterized by fear, will push away talented people. There are many studies as evidence that employees don't quit their jobs. They quit their bosses.